Hi everyone, welcome back to Best Laid Plans, and this week it is finally time for my May monthly spread. I know it's kind of weird to do this at the end of the month, but it's been pretty busy. I've had pretty full weeks, so it's more of like a record-keeping kind of scrapbooking spread, but I still want to do it. I have decided that I am going to have a Bridgerton theme. For this, I have a few things pulled, so I'll let you know all of the materials and shops in the description. But I have the Lady Juniper Society Papers Bridgerton kit. It's called Gildington from Simply Gilded. And I will be using some of this for this spread and the rest for my last spread for May in my Skinny Classic. So I have that. I do have the Bridgerton Be Happy Box large sticker book. This is a collaboration with Happy Platter and Netflix, so that's pretty cool. I've got that. I have these sheets from Mushy Works. We're using some of these just for this spread. I'm going to be using this sticker because I feel like she reminds me so much of Kate, and I feel like she has a Bridgerton kind of Regency inspired, like pop Regency style. That would work well for this. So, and I have bees. So I am going to be using those. And then I also have some stickers that are, I'm not going to use all of them in this spread, but these are the die cut stickers from Sugar Pop Fizz. These are her Bridgerton ones. This is obviously Simon and Daphne, but I can still use some of these cute like scene kind of die cuts. So I'm probably going to save them for my Skinny Classic because I want their story to be on its own. And then I'll just kind of put these to the side. But that is everything we're using. I did grab my bookshelf washi just in case. This is all of my bookshelf washi from Simply Gilded. I have more bookshelf washi that's not Simply Gilded. I have a lot of bookshelf washi. I'm not sure if I'm going to use any of these or not, but I wanted to pull them just in case there's anywhere I need to like fill in for a nice little decorative element. So I did have these handy. So that is everything. I want to start with deciding on where I'm going to be putting my stickers from the largest kit. I want to use some of them in my Skinny Classic, so I'm not using all of them for this, but I did plan on using quite a lot of them. I think I will do this heart here over in the corner. And then we'll use some of these little florals. And then I like this Lady Juniper Society Papers. I'm going to put that here. Look at Lady Juniper. Isn't she beautiful? And then I want to do, this is like a whole scene here. So I want to include the whole scene. And the best place to do that would be at the top because there's like nothing going on these first 3 days. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Super cute. I'm going to save the rest of these for my Skinny Classic. And now we're going to look at date stickers. And I'm trying to decide which is my favorite. And I think I'm going to go with this pretty like damask lace pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and lay these out. And we're going to end up covering up probably May in 2024. But I have a May date sticker I'll put over here. So it really doesn't matter. I know it's May. It says May right here. So I can cover that up. So I'm going to go ahead and lay the dates down Sunday through Saturday, and then we will move on to some of the like washi stickers and all that fun stuff. All right, so that is this top part here. I do think I need to cover up this with some washi or like a washi sticker. So let me see what I have here, if they're gonna be long enough. Let's use this purple gingham. So we have a little space here and a little space here, and I think that that space would be a good place to put a decorative sticker. So I'm gonna look in my, let me see this carriage. Carriage is a little big for that. I think those heels are really cute there, so I'm going to use these. So that takes care of that corner, and then I want to put something cute here, and I'm wondering if I have a little bee sticker or something. That might be a little large. The letters. Perfect. So I'm going to put these letters on that spot there. Excuse me. I do feel like I need a little something here now to kind of balance everything out. So maybe I'll put this parasol. Oh, actually, I need to put something here. All right, so there we have the top, and I have my little Lady Juniper here. I did want to add this adorable garden with the bees toward the bottom, so I'm going to take that washi now. Now I'm going into the Bridgerton Happy Planner stickers, and I want to find something to kind of decorate that is a floral element. And here we go. And now that I have those down, I am going to use this sticker to kind of represent our viscountess, Kate. And I have her right here. Oh, I love how that is all framed up. Now I'm going to take this sticker here that definitely reminds me of the Bridgerton family, and I'm going to have that right here in this corner. So I think that's everything I'm going to use from Mushy Works and stuff for this, and now I want to include just a couple more elements of these stickers. I think for the premiere of season 3, we're gonna have to do this carriage. No reason. So I'm gonna put that right here just to have it ready. I'm gonna be putting a box and stuff in. So everything else, I think I will save for my Skinny Classic spread. So let's go to our decorative boxes, and I'm gonna start putting boxes down on the dates that I have something to write in. And that is a lot of them. And I don't mind that I've covered up some of these dates. I have date stickers, or I literally can just ignore and leave them as is. I don't mind covering them up. I know what day it is. So we've got Wednesday the 1st. Use the most foiled floral boxes for my work meetings so that I feel more romantic about them, because they're not that fun actually. All right, and then I've got a couple of birthdays, and I'm gonna use these for them. So we've got Cinco de Mayo is my little puppy's birthday. And then the 1st is my goddaughter's. And then I have a special day, which is the 19th, 18th, 19th? It was the 18th. The 18th is when my friend graduates from her vet program. I have a sticker here already, so I'm just gonna put that here and I can write it in. And I'm gonna put some little decorations on top of these just to give them some more visual interest. And let me see if she gave me a tracker. I don't think that she put a tracker on this for exercise or anything, but I will just make one using mild liners. This is a neat trick. If you ever just are not feeling like using stickers, you can always use mild liner, especially if there's a grid. So I'm just gonna mark the 7 days of the week for exercise tracking to make little check boxes. So there's our days of the week boxes. And then I will take this weight sticker and put that right here. And then I know that is going to be for exercise. So that's pretty much that all done. And I have everything marked that I need. I like this little sticker here. So that's pretty much everything I want to add here. I do want to mark paydays, and let's see, I will mark them with these blue bows. So payday is the 24th. That's all my important dates. And I have a vacation going on this week and Memorial Day. And I'm going to put this sticker down for Memorial Day. And I will just write that in since I covered it up. So I'm going to take this car sticker because that is when we are going to be heading out. And then I need to remember to pack to get ready that day, so I'm gonna do a little checkbox. So that is pretty much everything before the pen. The only thing I think I want to add to this particular spread before I write is that she's got some labels already made for things like meeting appointment important. So I am going to take some of those and just add them where they go. Okay, so now I have my before the pen done, and I did decide I'm not going to put date stickers on it. I know when everything is enough, like I can follow. So I think it'll be fine. But basically this is everything for May. I do feel like there is just a bit too much white space here. So I'm going to go back into the Bridgerton Happy Planner book and look for another sticker to put here. Maybe something purple or green just based off of this. I think I'll do the family sigil here. And on Mother's Day, I will put a crown for my mom because she's a queen. Now I am all ready to just finish writing everything in, so that is next. Alright, I had a little smudge here, but for the most part, everything went fine, and I might just, yeah, I'm not going to worry about it. Sometimes your ink smudges and you just can't worry about it. So that is all of that. I just also realized that I put a habit tracker for the week for my monthly spread. Sometimes you discover these things after you do them. So I'm definitely not going to need that. I feel a little silly. We can just take that back. And I will put it back with the kit. Now, seeing that I did make that little mistake, I just need to put something here to kind of cover that up. And I feel like maybe we can use one of these banners. Okay, that's cute. And along with that, there's already a bee there, so let's use something else. Maybe we'll use Lady Juniper. Okay, I like that a lot. So now we are totally done, including after the pen. And I'm pretty psyched with this. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me for the month of May. This is kind of more of a simple spread, but if you combine stickers from different places that have different textures, I do feel like it just has a nice effect, and it worked out really well for this Bridgerton themed May spread. Check my Instagram at Valkyrie Plans for more spreads and to sneak a peek of what I did for my Skinny Classic. And I will see you guys in June, and I hope you have a fantastic Memorial Day, and please take care. Bye!